Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Peng Fei, top-rated plus Upwork freelancer. So, does data structure and algorithm matter for freelancing? Well, from my experience, most of the time it doesn't matter. But sometimes the opportunity will come. You can only seize the opportunity if you have strong fundamental for data structure and algorithm. It actually turns one of my contract into a full-time remote position because I solved a problem for my client, which applied some kind of algorithm. Some clients have long-term projects with decent budget. If you impress them during the contract, they may want to turn the contract into a full-time remote position. I actually have several clients want to turn my contract into full-time remote position because I impressed them one way or another. Here is the story about how I turned one of my contracts into a full-time remote position. One day, a client reached out to me. He wanted to using React on top of an existing Django app. I did some analysis for the system and find the bottleneck to apply the React is they are using jQuery query builder, like this one. We can add rules as well as nested rules. However, since we are using React, we cannot using jQuery. So I found a library called React Awesome Query Builder, which has the similar functionality as jQuery query builder. Like this. We can also add rules and nested rules. But there's a problem. They have an existing REST API which expects a tree format generated by the jQuery query builder. So this rules is a tree format. And the REST API expects the rules like this one. This is a JSON tree. But the JSON tree generated by the React Awesome Query Builder is different from the JSON tree generated by the jQuery Query Builder. The JSON tree generated by the React Awesome Query Builder is like this one, which will not work for the existing REST API because it expects this format. So I need to write an algorithm to transform this format, this tree format, into this tree format in order to make the existing REST API work. It takes me about a few hours to write the algorithm. Basically, I applied some variation of the deep first search, which traverses this tree and create this tree. I also write a bunch of unit tests, and I successfully create a prototype by using this algorithm. And my client was impressed. He wanted to turn the contract into a full-time remote position. So, in my opinion, data structure and algorithms are quite important. But from my experience, not many developers are good at it, let alone identify the real-world problem and apply it to the real-world project. So if you have a solid fundamental for data structure and algorithm and can apply them in the real-world project, it will differentiate you and other developers. And because of this, I turned one of my contracts into a full-time remote position. So what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. Bye bye.